tutorial demonstrates how to find and analyze a transcriptomic drug perturbation signature with the objective of establishing drug mechanism of action and finding other drugs targeting the same biological processes. I will start with the signatures workflow. Then I will select Link's chemical perturbation signatures library and perform a keyword search for everolimus. The search identified 187 Link's chemical perturbation signatures matching the word sirolimus. I will expand the results of the search and then further filter signatures by focusing on the MCF7 cell line and the concentration of 0.04 micromoles. This yields two signatures, and I will click on the ID of the second signature, which will take me to the signature landing page. The precomputed signature landing page provides detailed information about the signature and the chemical that was used to generate the signature. It also provides several panels for further analysis of the signature. I will first perform the pathway enrichment analysis of the differentially expressed genes in the signature. By default, top 100 genes with the smallest p-values are considered to be differentially expressed. But this can be modified by clicking on the Modify the list of selected genes. To submit the list of differentially expressed genes to and pathway enrichment analysis, I will click on the David connection. And if I look at the pathways that were analyzed by David and focused on KEGG pathways, I can see that in the top most enrichment pathways, none of them are associated with mTOR signaling. In particular, only one pathway was truly statistically significant, and it was colorectal cancer pathway. Now I will go back to my results of the connectivity map analysis of my query. I will select the connected signatures panel and then select the connected consensus gene signatures. I can see again that my everolimus signature highly correlated to genes in mTOR signaling pathway, mTOR, PIK3CA, Raptor, Rab. Now I will perform enrichment analysis of gene targets of most significantly correlated gene signatures. I will first select all signatures and then click here and perform again enrichment analysis using David, but this one time we will look for pathways that are enriched by the targets of signatures that were highly correlated with everolimus signature. Again, we will select pathways and KEGG pathways. And if we look at the results of this analysis now, mTOR signaling pathway is very statistically significant in terms of enrichment of target genes, and it is the most significantly enriched pathway. We can then look at the identity of the mTOR pathway genes, which when knocked down produce signature that is highly correlated with everolimus signature. I will go back now to my results and look at the analysis of links chemical perturbation signatures or classical connectivity map analysis. And when I look at these results, chemical perturbagens with the most correlated signatures were again ones that we know were targeting mTOR, and the targets of these chemical perturbagens again are genes in the mTOR pathway.